Hey everyone there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to alter this beautiful frame that I got from my local vendor only. So let's see what we can do with this. But I'm going to do a mixed media on this. So I'm going to use this pearls. These are some big and small. There are two sizes. Some are big and some are small. Then I'm going to use these two sprays from Lindy. One is Mongolian Magenta Gold and the another one is OC Aster. Then I'm going to use this metallic paint from Finnabair. It's a pure sunshine. Then I'm not sure about using art stone, but let's see if I use them or not. And then I have these two Gesso, white and the black, in the small containers. Aren't these cute containers? Okay. So before starting with the video tutorial, you need to subscribe to my channel so that you can come back and watch these tutorials whenever you like. And if you find this video interesting, do share with your friends and give it a big fat thumbs up. And do also tell me in the comment section that how you like this video. Okay, so now let's start with the tutorial.